Alright guys, good morning. This is Chris Dominguez. It's October 11th and right now we're going to do an unboxing for an awesome product that we just got. So, doing this kind of one-handed here. Came from USPS. Got the top open. Right here we have a Tiger Stream media player, $500 value. We're able to get this thing for $400 through Savings Highway. It's the T5x 2017 edition. Now if you guys want a discounted rate on this, we can get you guys hooked up, $100 off, and you get to own your system. Now if you guys have cable or satellite, even if you have another media streaming player, this is top of the line. Now this is the latest generation. We're going to go through the user guide in a bit. Go through the step-by-steps of setting up our system. The cool thing is, we also get an awesome user-friendly remote, as you can see, brand new in the package. Right over here. Let's see. This is for wireless boosting. We got an HDMI cord, the adapter for the power, and last but not least, oh wait, we do have more right here at the bottom. Now this is our quick startup guide. We're gonna go ahead and follow through that right there. There's a Facebook support group, live tech support, and chat now. We set up training videos, a forum for frequently asked questions. Tiger Stream is going to be awesome. I'll give you a little bit of a breakdown once we get this thing set up here. The Wi-Fi and everything. This up. Look at that. There is the Tiger Stream media player. Now it's not too big, but it may be bigger than some of the other streaming boxes here. So over here on the side, you're able to plug in USB device, expands memory, and on top of that, I've got a couple more USB ports over here. Able to expand the memory, upload additional files to the Tiger Stream. It's got HDMI capabilities, plug it right into the LAN. It's got the yellow, white, and red cords. So right here, Tiger Stream, incredible. We're about to own our own entertainment. We get to watch movies, tons of channels, your Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming companies will get access to. So we're going to give you guys a breakdown of this in just a few minutes. This is our unboxing of Tiger Stream.